Alright, so I picked up the new, looks like Performance, kind of cheapy, but to put on the, brake pedal and accelerator. This is the old brake one. It popped right off, so we'll see how easy it is to pop them back on. So as far as the accelerator goes, you can see that this just slides over the existing one because there's that one there doesn't have a cover like the brake did. So we'll try to slide it on over there. They're pretty difficult to put in, but I was able to finally get them. You kind of just work your way around, sliding them in with your finger, and you got to pull that back. So yeah, they fit on there pretty good, not coming off. So I put the top part on like that with that open part down on the bottom down here, and then the brake pad went on like that. I could feel it's on there pretty good. So yeah, there we go. Nice new look. Okay, at first I'd put that accelerator on the other way, but looked at some pictures and see that's the right way. And it's easy just if you just slide it up like that on there. It fits perfect. So there you go.